Uh-oh. Good job. Go. Yeah. Good job. There you go. Good job. Oh. Keep going. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel to the left. Turn it, turn it, turn it. There you go. Boom.
He's getting
Ooh. Hey everybody, look at this.
He's ringing the bell.
He's ringing the bell. This is so cool. So Lorenzo's gonna ride the fire truck. I'm gonna watch you from over here. Very cool. Yeah. Lorenzo's having fun. Ring your bell.
Lorenzo and Daddy. Hey.
Here we go, ready? Here we go. Gonna get a big scoop. Look, pull this one down. This one, this middle one. Pull it down. Woo! Lorenzo's getting a big scoop. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Oh, look at that. And then how do we do it? Oh, pull this one. Like this. Look at that big scoop.
I get the big one.
And then how do we lift it? Oh, there we go. And then push this one up to drop it. Lorenzo, smile for Mama. Can you wave? Ah, look, he waved. There he goes. Wow, look at him go. Good job. Look at this. I can't keep up, everybody. It's hard to keep up. He's going so fast. Look at that. Look at that. He's going so fast. Look, there he is. Look at that. Here he comes. He's on the train. Hey. You're going so fast.
You can keep that water bunny.
It's hard to keep up. He's going so quick. You're doing it. You're almost there.
All right, raise your hands. Slow down.
Woo!
All right, guys, listen up. Your head stays above the ride at all times. Stay focused, stay seated. Do not put your head in the water. Enjoy your ride.
Here we go. Look at him going in the water. This is awesome with the boat. Woo! Good job. Ring your bell. Ring your bell. Ring your bell. Ring your bell.
What is that? We get the yellow one.
Yeah, we're gonna get the yellow one. Oh no, we're not getting the yellow one. We're getting the blue one. We're getting the blue one. Look. Yeah, look at the carousel. You want to do that after? Okay. There we go, our blue car. All right, you ready? Wait for it to stop. Okay, hop on in. Scoot over. Oh,
guys, you gotta get out.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, you do the driving, I'll do the beeping. When it goes, I think we can beep it. Woo! Lorenzo, really fast. Hit the brakes. Whoa! Look at this. Taking it to the skies. Here we go. Oh, big turn. Oh, look, there's the train is over there. And the Ferris wheel.
That's the view one.
Yeah.
And
Whee!
I got in the water.
You're really good at driving. How did you learn how to drive like this?
From Cisco.
Whoa! You're going so fast. Woo! I hear the train. I think there he's gonna go. I think he's gonna go on the train. Look, there's the train. Beep beep. Look, the train goes right over the water. How cool is that? Keep going fast. Look at the excavators. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. Awesome. Yeah, me too. Here we go, finally. The train is moving. Look, those are the old cars that we were doing. There's the Ferris wheel. Woo, we're going over the water. Look at that. So cool. Look, mommy's right over there. We can wave to her. She's gonna be right over there. She's gonna be right here. Look, there she is. There she is right there. Look at the cars on the road. And a roller coaster. Wow, this is fun. Look at this. Oh. No, we're going around the corner. Look, we're gonna go back this way. Look, a big roller coaster over there. There's a bug near you. We'll get water after this. Oh, look, the boats. The boats you can drive. Here we go, over the water again. Look at the people in the boats. Wave to them. Wave to them. Say hi. Hello. Look, we're going around and around. Oh, we're gonna go back over. We're gonna go back over the boats. Oh, look at that boat. It crashed.
Wheel flat.
They got stuck. They got stuck. I don't know. We're going fast. Whee! Look, mommy's over there. Here we go. Back over the bridge, and then we gotta do another loop-de-loop and come back to the station. This is so much fun. Look at the water. Woo, look at that. Look at that water. No boats in there. Look at the old cars. All right, we can wave to everybody over here. Wave to everybody. Oh, look at that old tractor. Woo! That was his whistle, yeah. at all that steam. Look at all that steam, Lorenzo. He's on an airplane. Lorenzo's on an airplane. Are you gonna fly it all by yourself? Oh my. Thumbs up! Woo! Do it again. Go all the way in the sky. All the way in the sky. You went so high. Look at what you got. SpongeBob.
See you on the next video. I have you right this channel. Playtime with Lorenzo.